Hello and welcome to the Liverpool Volkswagen Van Centre. My name's Oscar and today I'll have to talk you through some of the fantastic details of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Sportline, which is the black edition, and that comes in that gorgeous pure grey paint. If you're looking to make an inquiry about this vehicle, then please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today on 01515152911 or alternatively visit us at our dealership at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool. Moving towards the front of this vehicle, it is fitted with auto LED headlamps with separate LED daytime running lights to provide crisp and clear visibility in any conditions. You also have that stunning chrome Volkswagen badging in the centre there, with the chrome and red strip in the grille, adding to the smart and sporty look of this vehicle. And just below there, you have that aggressive looking bumper there, with the parking sensors located there as well. Moving round to the side here, you have some Sportline branding there, which goes really nicely with the pure grey paint. And just below, you have your 17-inch black wheels. Just above are the fully electrically operated, power folding and heated wing mirrors. And you can see you have that bar across the bottom there with the black edition detailing. And there's also an automatic sliding door there as well, which has some privacy glass for the added comfort of the passengers in the rear. And this is fully automatic, so just giving it a tug there will slide that door open automatically to reveal these 3-bench passenger seats in the back there, which have that lovely Alcantara and leather finish as well, with the red stitching there, adding to some of the features on the outside. And you also have that Sportline detailing there, which is embedded into the seats. Also, you have some handles down here, so just pulling that over will allow these seats to fold forward as well to allow easy access into the rear. And just pulling on that handle once again will close the door over by itself. And moving round to the rear here, you can see there is some more chrome detailing on the back there, with the Transporter writing to the left and Volkswagen badging in the centre. And you also have that Sportline detailing in chrome and red on the right there. You also have some more black edition detailing there as well, with the carbon fibre insert there on the rear bumper. And just opening up that automatic tailgate now to reveal a very spacious interior. You have rubber lining across the surface of the floor for added durability and lashing rings as well for load restraint, and you will even benefit from LED ambient lighting in the ceiling as well for added visibility. As you can see, the tailgate will also open up nice and high as well to allow easy access into the rear and to make loading goods into this vehicle simple and easy. There is also a button just inside the boot here as well, which will close the tailgate over. And just there, that does reveal the rear view reversing camera, which gives you a great range of visibility at the rear of the vehicle, and it is fully complemented by those parking sensors as well, which are dotted along the rear bumper. There's also another sliding door located here on the driver's side, and opening up this door now to reveal a fantastic driver's cockpit. You have your driver's seat here, which is fitted with an armrest on either side, which is that lovely padded leather material, providing a real element of luxury to your journeys. There's also that same seating design as well that is in the back there, with the embossed Sportline detailing and also the Alcantara and leather finish. You also have that red stitching as well, and that seating design is mirrored over here on the passenger seat. And there's also some further storage space on top of the dashboard here as well, which includes a 12-volt charging port, so this is a perfect place to keep any phones or tablets on charge while you're out and on the move. And that does complete our 360-degree tour of the exterior of this vehicle. I will now take you into the driver's seat to discuss some more of the interior details. And here we are, positioned behind that lovely multifunctional leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel. To the right of us here, we have our left and right fully electrically operated wing mirror controls, and our auto headlamp and fog lamp controls are down there as well. The right side of the multifunctional steering wheel enables you to use voice activation, answer and end calls, and access some of the safety features within the vehicle. And the left side has your audio adjustments and adaptive cruise control functions located in the centre. The cruise control is displayed on this screen here, as well as the speed limiter and front assist, and you can also view your mileage from here, which is subject to change slightly due to factory usage and test drives. And this can also further display some information on the left and right hand side. And also in the centre you have your navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status and driving data, which can be displayed here. And this also shows some handy information about the vehicle. Moving over now to the infotainment system, and there's plenty more to keep smiling about. You can pre-select your favourite radio stations to be displayed here on a preset list, and you do have full FM, DAB and internet radio functions, as well as plenty of stations to keep you company on those long journeys. And on the main menu, you also have your media as well, which is Bluetooth operated, which will further enable you to stay in contact with your friends and family, which you can do without even taking your hands off the wheel, thus further enhancing your already fantastic driving experience. And App Connect will allow you to connect your phones via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to mirror applications such as Spotify and Apple Music, as well as plenty of other road safe apps. And the main menu has plenty of other options to enjoy here as well, including your assist systems here, which has your adaptive cruise control, front assist and driver's alert system. Also in the main menu you have your vehicle status, which includes different driving data as well, and also the digital cockpit, allowing you to fully customise your driving experience and make it your own. The sound is also fully adjustable in this vehicle as well via these 3 sliding panels, and you can also position the sound as well as adjust all of your volume settings. The navigation system is simple and easy to use as well with this touchscreen display, which you can change to a 3D or a 2D viewing format to suit your preferences. And you can also customise the home page as well to allow easy access to your favourite apps, and there are 2 screens to enable you to do this. The parking sensors are also displayed on this screen, and these will give you audible and visual warnings to any obstructions in your surrounding areas to give you extra peace of mind when manoeuvring or reversing your vehicle, and they are fully complemented by that rear view reversing camera. Those guidelines will help navigate you into any tight spot with ease, and with the audible and visual warnings you will not be bumping or scratching your vehicle. And just below here you have your front heated windscreen, and this gives you a fantastic feature to use during those frosty winter months to clear windscreen in a matter of seconds. And climate control is operated via the 3 rotary dials there in the centre, and the front 2 passenger and driver seats are also fully heated as well, giving you another great feature to use during those winter months. And just to the left here you have your parking sensors activation button, as well as start-stop technology, which is designed to economise your vehicle and save you on fuel. And just below that are 2 USB-C ports, a handy cup holder and a 12-volt charging port. And you also have your automatic gear selector there in the centre as well. Just over here you have your spacious glove compartment, as well as some more handy storage space in the dashboard, and there are plenty of cup holders located throughout the vehicle. And that does bring to an end our video today of this fantastic approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Sportline, which is the black edition, and that comes in that gorgeous pure grey paint. If you are looking to make an inquiry about this vehicle, then please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today on 015 1515 2911. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it has been informative. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews like this, and you can check out the advert from the link in the description.